Hi, everybody. This is Monica Paolini from Senza Fili, and today we're talking about 60 gigahertz and Terragraph. And Dave Sumi, the VP of Marketing at Siklu, is with me today. So the really first question is that why do we care about 60 gigahertz? What about Terragraph? What's going on?
That's a really good question, Monica. I mean, people, Terragraph. Why is it important to us? Why do we care? And I think the answer is, if you look back a little bit, the need for speed has been with us since that very first dial-up modem 30 years ago was connecting people at 28 kilobits per second. In those 30 years, the demand and the applications for capacity have gone to the point where today we're seeing gigabit networks, which are as a 30,000 times increase over those original dial-up modems. And the need for that speed isn't just to have bits available, it's because the things we're doing today, the video conferencing, the gaming, the remote learning, the working from home, all of these demand speed.
Absolutely. And the more speed you have, the more uses you find for it. So it's not just what the demand is there, is once you have it, you figure out. We are very good at
Yeah.
figuring out what to do with it.
I think that's a great point. I had a boss years ago who said, well, why do you need that megabit connection? You're not using it all the time. You don't even have anything to use it with. But what happened was, and this is to your point exactly, when you have those kinds of capacities and speeds, people come up with new and innovative ways to use them. We haven't really seen, 3D video or 3D web conferencing yet. Who knows?
It's going to happen. So maybe it's something that we haven't even thought about. So how are you going to enable this kind of opening of opportunities for everybody to enjoy? What is that you guys are doing?
Well, what we're doing is, Siklu is a millimeter wave company as we've been our entire existence. And, the 60 gigahertz operation of the Terragraph systems is right in our sweet spot. Terragraph represents our fifth generation 60 gigahertz product. So what we'll be doing with this system is we'll be focusing on a holistic approach, software and hardware, to not only make the boxes low cost so that it can meet the business case of the operators, but to make the whole life cycle of the product, maintenance, the installation, the operation, keep all of that as simple and cost effective for the operators as possible.
Absolutely. Now, we don't want to tell people too much because we have a much longer interview where we talked about all those issues and a few more others. And I would like people to invite them to read it or watch it. So, Dave, thanks a lot for sharing your thoughts with us today.
Thank you, Monica.
And thank you all for listening.